DAF chooses to exhibit at Truckfest because it's a great opportunity for us to get to meet a lot of drivers of DAF Trucks, a lot of enthusiasts. It's also a really good opportunity for us to listen to the concerns of DAF drivers, see if there's an opportunity for us to improve our future products and services to meet those needs.
They're a very reliable truck. My truck has never let me down. She's been ever so reliable.
So DAF stand is really busy today. We've got loads of trucks on display from all across the range. There's lots going on, lots of entertainment, lots of activities.
That's brilliant, isn't it?
Brilliant.
Yeah, first time here. Brilliant.
When DAF comes to Truckfest, the main objective is to ensure that everybody who comes on the stand feels at home and can feel part of the DAF family, get to know us a little bit better and really feel the enthusiasm we have for the products that we sell.
Good fuel out of it, comfort.
Yeah, luxury truck with everything you require, isn't it?
Well, you can't fault them really. Nice and comfy inside.
Good fuel, good truck, good living accommodation.
They're a good, reliable workhorse.
We'll be happy with one of these.
Oh, God, yeah.
Yeah, I'm proud to say I drive a DAF.